A severe thunderstorm was located over Bensonville or over O'Hare Airport. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for East Central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until midnight. At 11:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Westmont or over Downers Grove, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Westchester, LaGrange Park, Western Springs, and Hillside around 11:20 p.m. Maywood, Brookfield, LaGrange, Summit, Wellwood, Forest Park, River Forest, Lyons, Riverside, and Broadview around 11:25 p.m. Cicero, Berwyn, Oak Park, Austin, and Stickney around 11:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include South Lawndale, West Town, Brighton Park, Humboldt Park, East Garfield Park, and near West Side. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Hawthorne Park, and Morton Arboretum. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.